नमस्कार फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से वेलकम। फ्रेंड्स, कॉमरेड बसंत बेनकोडे ने एक अपडेट शेयर किया। सर, आई एम वेल अवेयर दैट स्टे कैन नॉट बी ग्रांटेड इन क्रिमिनल पिटीशन। मिस्टर CN Prasad either seems to be confused or he is deliberately misguiding bank retirees. The stay is demanded in civil case filed by restricting the 12th bipartite talks unless 11 bipartite residual issues are resolved. When IBA and Canara Bank have appeared in the case through lawyer, it was duty of the lawyer to guide their client. Instead, they proceeded further and must have misguided their clients, hence the order was against them. If IBA and Canara Bank are at fault and when they are not supposed to spend legal fees unnecessarily for the consoling their whims and the misguidance of their lawyers, if they are proceeding further with the intention to act illegally, nobody can restrict them. The appeals in Bombay High Court is the best example of the illegal behavior of IBA and Canara Bank. I had asked the stay against UFB only, who has not appeared in the case. These parties need not have gone in appeal. When they have gone in appeal, they must have other intentions, that is not to solve the residual issues, and before that they want to release 12th bipartite benefits. This way, they can drag the issue for further 5 years up to 30th bipartite settlement. By that time, majority of old retirees would go to heavenly abode. The ex gratia promotion is going on with the same intention. Mr. Prasad is misguiding the retirees with the same intention. 2 days back, he had phoned my friend in Bangalore, which can be produced in Bombay High Court also as a proof. In addition, I have filed criminal case which is in investigation stage with Kolhapur police. The summons were issued for last time, and in case the accused failed to report non-bailable warrant shall definitely be issued by court. In addition, an organized crime petition is also pending in the Supreme Court. A writ is also pending in Bombay High Court for retrospective effect of DA to be given instead of the prospective payment being given to the pre-2002 retirees. Moreover, the refund of premium is demanded since 2015 when IBA dared to have an agreement with unions stating that retirees don't have contractual relation instead of giving free insurance to retirees as per DFS instruction basing on the Khandelwal committee report. IBA has illegally given their name to the group insurance scheme. As such, Mr. Prasad needs to stop misguiding retirees and at once stop promoting ex gratia as well. Sri Basant Benkode, Kolhapur, 23rd January 24. Thank you friends. Namaskar.